that's all I want to say. Thank you to
Tagalog Jules!
Tagalog Jules!
Grabe sila. Hirap naman. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat. Siyempre, hanggang doon lang yun. Siyempre, sa Dreamscape muna, siyempre for this opportunity. After Mirabella, thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to work with amazing
Siya na ba?
actors.
Pagkatapos.
Second, I want to say thank you to the directors, Direk Don, Direk Ona, Spoms, Direk Jerome for guiding me, not giving up on me, kahit minsan at nakakapagod na ang trabaho. Of course, sa ating mga staff, sa ating crew, mga kuyas, hindi man halata sa akin, pero hindi nyo alam kung gaano ko na-appreciate yung presence nyo alone. Kasi pag napapagod kami, promise sa inyo ako, humuhugot talaga ng lakas. Kasi pag pagod na kami, di ba, syempre mas pagod naman kayo, tapos nakikita ko na go pa rin kayo. Doon talaga ako nakuha ng lakas. Who else? Of course, sa mga palaki kong ka-eksena, Inigo, Kenzo, Miles, Ate Dems, Miss A, Tito J, Tito Benj. Maraming salamat. Ana, China, Ate Dan, thank you so much. Ate Ma, Miss E, Kuya Ron, Dads, Ate Joy, everybody, thank you so much for being patient with me. Alam kong hindi ako always easy to work with, pero thank you for still understanding. And ayun, abutin natin and more than anything, I'm just so thankful to the Lord for this project because ang dami ko talagang natutunan about myself, about my craft, and this is the first time na na-appreciate na talaga ako ng tao, and it feels good. So, thank you everybody. I'm gonna miss you. At wait lang, Miles! I love you so much. I'm so happy I gained another true friend in the business. Hindi kasi ako masyadong ma-friend kasi hindi ako masyadong trusting. Pero with Miles, it was so easy to get along.
Okay, talaga na mamaasahan.